In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Notion with your local folder. This step-by-step guide will help you integrate your local files seamlessly into your Notion workspace, enhancing the way you manage and access your documents. Whether you're working on a project or organizing personal files, this connection can save you time and streamline your workflow. Now, let's dive into the process. To begin, open a page in your Notion workspace. This could be any page where you plan to manage your files or create a database of documents. Once you're on the right page, you'll want to type in a command to help us set up a database. On a new line, type in the / followed by the word database. This is Notion's shortcut to bring up options related to databases. After entering the command, look for and click on the Database Inline option from the menu that appears. This option allows you to create a database that exists within the current page, making it easier to reference and manage alongside other content you might have on the page. With your inline database now created, the next step is to customize it to link to your local files. Start by clicking the +Add Property button. Adding a property to your database allows you to define what kind of data or file you want to store. Here, you'll want to select the file property to store and manage document links. Once you've clicked on Files, you'll notice an empty table appearing below the file header you've just created. This is where you'll be selecting and placing your local files. By doing so, Notion acts as a centralized location where you can access these specific files with ease. Now, click on the empty table cell below the file header to bring up the file selection options. Click on Choose File, and a dialog will appear prompting you to select a file from your local drive. Navigate through your folders as you would normally and select the file you wish to link. After choosing your file, you'll see it integrated into the row of your database, right under the file header. This visual confirmation lets you know that the file is now linked with your Notion database and that you can access it anytime directly from Notion. That's all there is to it. You've successfully linked Notion with your local files, making your workspace more efficient and easier to navigate. Remember, you can repeat these steps for any number of files and organize them within the same database or even across different Notion pages. This method is a great